World Tourism Day, celebrated annually on September 27. Theme for 2024, Tourism and Peace. UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization. UNWTO establishment, 1975. UNWTO member states, 160. UNWTO headquarters, Madrid, Spain. Tourism's contribution to GDP, 10% globally. Tourism's contribution to global exports, 7%. Tourism's contribution to global jobs, 1 in every 10 jobs. India's rank in Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024, 39th. India's tourism sector contribution to GDP in 2022, 199.6 billion US dollars. Cumulative FDI in India's tourism sector, 17.2 billion US dollars April 2000 to March 2024. Domestic tourist visits in India in 2023, 250 crore. Foreign tourist arrivals in India in 2023, 9.24 million. India's tourism sector growth rate expected to grow at 7.1% annually. India's tourism sector job creation goal, 140 million jobs by 2030. Challenges in India's tourism sector, safety, infrastructure, unskilled manpower, unsustainable practices, pollution. India's tourism advantages, cultural heritage, natural beauty, adventure tourism potential, affordability, hospitality. Government initiatives for tourism in India. National Tourism Policy 2022, Dekho Apna Desh, Swadesh Tashan, Iki Bharat Shrestha Bharat, e-visa, cruise tourism, staycation trend, growing popularity in India. On which date National Tourism Day celebrated in India? A. 25th January, B. 28th January, C. 21st January, D. 23rd January. Comment down your answer.